Welcome to Unthrow. We're starting by creating a project, giving it a name, potentially adding a client to it, and a project description. Next up is defining and creating our knowledge base. So we have three sections here: desirability, feasibility, and viability. Here, to give an example, we're uploading 2 trend reports in the desirability section. But there's also a range of other inputs we can include, including also sustainability appeal. Feasibility, there we're going to add some technical documentation to our knowledge base. Again, just one file here as an example, but we can really expand this knowledge base for real projects. And then for the last one, viability, we're adding a SWOT analysis of our business models in here. So we're uploading these and then creating the project. There's a few different ways we can start ideating, but here we're going to start unbiased ideation, which is all truly based on the data in this knowledge base, and we're just including some content and background on the scope, and then we will start the creative process. And here you have an interface that looks somewhat familiar. There is a chat-based interface on the right, and on the left you see stats on the progress, the files that are being analyzed in our knowledge base, and once the ideation gets started, we'll also see the progress there. This process with Unthrow is designed to be able to run completely autonomous if you would like, but as you see here, there is also room for the user to intervene and at certain milestones also like assess, are we getting the right insights out of the knowledge base? What do those ideas, the first ideas that are being generated look like, and how are they being iterated? So you can actually steer it in a specific direction if you like, but it is also designed to run completely autonomous. So let's take a look at the progress here. And then soon we'll get to the output. And in this case, that will be a selection of 20 concept boards that are fully designed with a visual and that are ready to discuss with stakeholders, to put into consumer testing. So this unbiased route was one of the routes we can use and one of the ideation paths. Another one we'll show in a little bit is to really give Unthrow a more specific and a more detailed brief. So if you open the project again, we change the path to from a brief, and here you'll see you can add more detail on what you specifically are trying to achieve with this innovation project.